Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download transactions from Interactive Broker's paper trading account. For paper trading accounts, the web service download is not available, so first you have to create the flex queries, run it manually and load it to the software. I'm already logged in to my IB's paper trading account, so I click on the Performance and Report menu and click on the flex query. I'm going to create a new flex query, so I click on the small plus icon, give a name of the query. The left side of the screen you can see our help page, which displays which sections must be added to the flex query. So let's add them one by one. Account information, bar of details, cash transactions, CFD charges, corporate actions, financial instrument information, grant activity is not available in paper accounts, net asset value summary in base, open dividend accruals, open positions, did to lot, option exercises, prior period positions, trades, execution is ticked, transaction fees, and transfers. Set the period to last 30 days and include currency rates. Yes. Continue. Scroll down. Create. Click on the OK. The flex query has been created, so we must run it to download the data. Set a longer period, click on the run. The report is being generated. It's done. Open TradingDiary Pro. Click on the Find New Database. Create a new database. Set the base currency. Click on the import. Select the Interactive Brokers Flex File import module and select the previously saved XML document. As you can see, the transactions have been loaded. Free trades, cash transactions and net asset values. We can see the trades in the blotter, the open positions, and the equity history. Please note, next time you don't have to recreate the queries. Just run the query, save it and load it. Thanks for watching.